Welcome back to 555 Cooking Ideas. Today I will show you how to make a simple, flavorful and aromatic chicken biryani step by step. Biryani is one of the most loved rice dishes in the world. Soft rice, tender chicken and warm spices come together beautifully. We first prepare the rice. Take basmati rice for the best result. Wash the rice gently until the water turns clear. Soak the rice in water for about 20 to 30 minutes. This makes the grains long and fluffy. Now we will marinate the chicken so it becomes soft and full of flavor. Add yogurt to the chicken pieces. Add a small amount of turmeric. Add chili powder according to your taste. Add salt to season the chicken. Add ginger garlic paste for deep flavor. Mix everything well so the chicken is coated with spices. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now slice onions into thin pieces. These are very important for biryani. Fry the onions in oil or ghee until golden brown and crispy. Keep some fried onions aside for later garnishing. Biryani has a beautiful aroma because of whole spices like bay leaf, cardamom and cinnamon. Alright, so first, heat some oil or ghee in a large heavy pot. Next, add the whole spices and let them release their aroma. It smells amazing, honestly. Then add the marinated chicken into the pot and cook on a medium flame. Let the chicken cook gently until it becomes tender and juicy, just the way we want it. In another pot, boil water for cooking the rice. Now, add the soaked rice into the boiling water with a little salt, just a pinch. Cook the rice until it is almost done but not fully soft. Then drain the rice gently so the grains stay separate. You don't want it getting mushy. By now the chicken curry should be cooked and thick, perfect for the next step. Now we layer the biryani. Spread the rice gently over the chicken. Add some fried onions on top of the rice. You can sprinkle a little saffron milk for color and aroma. This step is optional. Alright, so now cover the pot with a lid so the steam stays inside. Next, cook the biryani on a very low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is called dum cooking, by the way. And when you open the lid, you will smell the rich and warm aroma of spices and rice. It's honestly amazing. Mix the biryani very gently so the rice grains do not break. Now it is time to serve this beautiful biryani. Garnish with fried onions, coriander or mint leaves. Look at the long, fluffy rice and tender chicken pieces. So comforting and delicious. Biryani tastes wonderful with yogurt raita or a simple salad. If you have leftovers, store them in the fridge and reheat gently the next day. This dish is perfect for weekends, family dinners, celebrations, or anytime you want something special. Your delicious homemade chicken biryani is ready to enjoy. Simple, aromatic, and full of love. Thank you for watching 555 Cooking Ideas. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tasty and easy recipes from around the world.